Complete 3 simple steps. Set up this passive income stream. Come to my motherland Sri Lanka and explore the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Guys, welcome to Money Machine, and before you watch this video, please comment down below what is your favorite destination to explore. I'll be selecting one of your comments and will pay and offer you a $1,000 course by Matt Pa, who will teach you to run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures monthly. And just before I show you the steps, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below as always. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. For this, you don't need a camera, you don't need any experience, you don't need a website, no YouTube and no social media required whatsoever. This takes only 20 minutes or less. Step number 1. Digistore24.com. Obviously, I can use ClickBank for this, but as you know, ClickBank is not there in some countries. So this Digistore24.com works worldwide. For those who don't know about Digistore24, this is a place where you can do affiliate marketing. You can find products and services. So first of all, go and register by clicking this register now button. It's 100% free to register. Complete these simple steps to get registered. You should sign up as an affiliate, get a username, your email address, repeat your email address, give a good password, choose your time zone and your personal info, your name, company. If you don't have a company, that's fine, address, country. It works worldwide, see. They need your mobile number for verification, and you don't need these. You have read the agreements. You can go over here and read the privacy policy and the contract. You don't need this one. And register for free now. And after registering, this will be your dashboard. You can see everything. You can get all analytics out here, the promo clicks, gross revenue, initial sales, customer value, and so on. You can track your earnings by days, weeks, months, years, and then you have to go to the marketplace, all offers on affiliate marketplace. See guys, in this website, most of the time you can earn more than 50% of the commission. See this one, it's a weight loss product actually. You can earn up to 85% commission. That will be, if one person buys this, you'll get $129.79. So you can choose from the categories. It has animals and pets, betting systems, business and investments, computer and internet, and so on. Before you choose a product, you have to consider the next step as well. So don't skip a second of this video. Stay tuned to see the step number 2. So you have to come to plr.com, the second site, as the second step. PLR article means private label rights articles. As they say, this can be used as web content, backlinks, can be given away or sold, can be modified in any way, can put your name as the author, can do whatever you like with these articles. I said you have to come over to this site before choosing a product to promote, because in this case you have tons of categories. The category of the article you choose here should match the product you promote at Digistore24. So now you have an idea about these categories. Go back to the marketplace, Digistore24, find a good product. In this case I'll go with this product. You can do some research and find a perfect product. In my opinion, I think this product is also a good one, as it gives you $129 per sale. That means $10 per cart visitor, and its conversion rate is higher, 26% conversion rate. So this will be our product for this video. Go to PLR directory. As our product is a weight loss product, you can search for health and fitness category. health and fitness. Read some of the articles and find a good article. Copy this article. You just go to Microsoft Word or some software can create a file and paste what you copied from the article, and you can play around and make this a perfect professional looking article. And now go to the marketplace Digistore 24, grab your link, copy it. Just go to bit.ly, create an account, and you can just create a customized bit.ly URL. You can track your URL, you can track the clicks and all, something like this. You can customize the back half as you prefer and save it so that you can track it out here at app.bitly.com. Get the link. So here you can give the promo link. So give a call to action. Have a healthy lifestyle by using this, and paste the link you created from bit.ly.com and save this. The last step, go to slideshare.net. This is a site where you can share what you know and love through presentations, infographics, documents, and more. According to SimilarWeb, SlideShare gets a total visits of 133.7 million per month. That's a lot of people, guys. 133.7 million visits per month. You get $130 per one product you sell. Imagine you sell this to 100 guys from that 133.7 million people. You'll get almost $13,000. So come over to SlideShare, sign up by clicking the sign up button. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can sign in here. If not, you can join LinkedIn and sign in. After signing up, you have to upload your file. Give it a good title, description, choose a category, keep it as public, add some tags, and go ahead and publish this. And that's literally all it takes. You can do this on several products in different niches. Just choose a product and an article and post on SlideShare so that the 133.7 million people will see your post, and some of them will click on your affiliate links and buy your products. As you can see, completing the simple 3 steps will make you a passive income. So follow my strategy, make money, and come explore Sri Lanka. And guys, don't forget to comment your favorite destination to explore to get the $1,000 premium course. The winner will be chosen and announced in my next video. And if this video helps you in any way, please like this and share with your mates. Don't forget to subscribe for videos every day. I normally tell you about this tube mastery and monetization. You should try this out. The premium course by my buddy Matt Parr. He teaches about how he runs 9 different profitable YouTube channels and makes 6 figures from them. Link in the description, guys. You'll see 2 more free videos that I think that will be useful for you. So check those out right now. Thank you for watching.